Hello student, Namaste student life. So today in this lecture I am going to provide you a trick to remember the shape of chloroplast. As you know, in different plants there is different shape of chloroplast present. So today in this video I will provide you a trick so that you can easily remember all the shapes of chloroplast present in different plants. So let's move into the topic. Here, to remember the shape of chloroplast, the trick is CCDV और CCDV और Z star, CCDV और Z star. That is, in first we have remember this as we know CCTV, CCTV, CC camera, CCTV. So just change the here, replace D with D, replace T with D. So CCDV, CCDV or Z star. Here in first we have chlamydomonas, chlamydo. From C we have chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas has cup-shaped chloroplast, cup-shaped. In second we have D and U. So here discoid shaped Vaucheria, Vaucheria, that is Vaucheria has discoid shape of chloroplast. In third we have O and R. So here O means oidogonium. Here oidogonium has reticulate shape of chloroplast. In fourth we have Z and star. Here Z means zygonema, 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 and the zygonema plant has star-shaped chloroplast. And at the last, remember one extra as eulothrix. That is, eulothrix has U-shaped. This is so easy, U-shaped or girdle shaped or horseshoe shape. CC. So the trick is CCDV or Z star. So C means chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas has cup-shaped chloroplast, and then D and V. So Vaucheria, first V. So Vaucheria has discoid shape of chloroplast, and then OR. So O means oidogonium. So oidogonium has a reticulate shape of chloroplast, and at the last we have Z star. Here Z means zygonema, and the zygonema has star shape of chloroplast, and eulothrix has U-shaped, girdle shaped or horseshoe shape. This is easy. So this all about the shape of chloroplast in different plant. These 5 are very important. It is frequently asking in different medical entrance examination. So my dear student, take the screenshot properly. Take the screenshot, and thank you for the class.